What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, the install guy, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 05 Scion XB, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own. If these are the things that you're into, please consider subscribing or following, because this is the things that we do here at the channel. Anything car audio install related, that's what the channel is about. First thing you want to do is take off of these knobs. Alright, so you don't necessarily need all three, but definitely need these outer two. We're going to have two Phillips head screws over here that we need to take out. So now that we have those two screws out, we want to go ahead and take this entire, all of this is actually just one piece. I usually like to come and start down here at the bottom. Now we have that popped off. Do the same thing to this side. Now we got a couple harnesses right here that's slightly holding it still in. And now we have two Phillips head screws on the left and two Phillips head screws on the right. We're gonna go ahead and take those out. Get that out. We can remove the radio, take out our antenna and two more harnesses. And that's that radio. Now let's get over here to the test bench and put the aftermarket in. So we are installing a JVC radio. Don't worry about it. We'll have all the links in the description for you guys. This is going to be a short chassis radio, so it's going to be easier for the installation since we have a whole lot of wires that go into the back. Two plugs for the power and the speakers. We have two sets of RCAs here. You can add a backup camera right here. It does have a 3-foot extension for the USB. Even though this does not have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but you will have to be able to use this if you want to charge your phone, play music through a jump drive, or if you need to do any type of updates, like a software update, you need to have this accessible. We're using the 8202 dash kit, which is just the brackets, and since this is only the trim brackets, you actually don't mount anything to the dash with this. We're going to have to reutilize the factory brackets from the aftermarket, from the factory. Line these holes up just like that, and then we take the one that goes on the left side, put that on the front, and then you see how those holes line up, and then you take the screws that came with the radio, and we want to put as many in as we can. So now we get to go to wiring up the radio. This car doesn't have any type of steering wheel controls, backup camera retention, satellite radio, none of the bells and whistles. So we're using a standard 1761 wiring harness. Everything's going to be pretty self-explanatory with this one. So we're just going to go ahead and start by stripping back some of the wires from the harness, and we're going to take one of the sides and use some butt connectors. Now, we don't really go too deep into detail on wiring up radios on these videos anymore, because it's pretty much the exact same thing as long as you have that aftermarket wire harness, because the wire harness's job is to convert the factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors, so it makes the installation as easy as possible. Now, I do understand there are some people out there that don't know what those wire colors mean, so don't worry. I actually have one video that I made for you showing you how to wire up a radio where I go over these wire colors, and I also have a introduction to car audio course that's almost about 90% done right now. So that will be available on the website. Now, I would like to take this time to thank anybody who chooses to support the channel, whether you guys hit those links in that description or you get one of those fan subscriptions from the Patreon or the one for the website. Those go a long way with me, and I greatly appreciate it. Alright, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all put back together. If you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.